Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I put the decorative flowers on the front of this house. Okay, you have to excuse me. I'm not used to doing voiceovers, so we'll just try and get through this. Okay, so what I did is I had just a silicone mold of flowers that I used paperclay that I used to create the flowers around the windows. And then paperclay has a tendency to crack as it dries. A lot of times if you paint over the paperclay, it will help keep it from cracking so much, but it's gonna crack. I found the more expensive the paperclay, the less it does crack. So sometimes using the cheaper stuff doesn't work. So, okay, what I did was I filled those cracks with wood filler, a wood filler stick. So as you saw in the beginning, I just kind of cut it off with a knife and then just put it in there and then tried to reshape the flowers. So once that wood filler dried, I took these, I believe it's pronounced Iuile watercolor mica paints. I got them on Amazon. I got the wood filler on Amazon also. Anyway, and this is what I painted all the flowers with, and it's got a real pretty mica shimmer to it when it's dry. So we'll just we'll paint these flowers and see how they turn out. This was a commission piece for my client's 6-year-old. I believe she was a 6-year-old little girl for her birthday. And it was a lot of fun because they gave me a lot of freedom on the design and how it was going to look. They gave me some color schemes that they wanted, and other than that, they said just do you figure it out. So I really enjoyed that because there's some ideas I've had floating around in my head that I've always wanted to try, and I had the opportunity really to force myself to make the time to do it. And I just love the way it turned out. I want to also take the time to thank you all for watching and following the progress of this dollhouse. I didn't get to film as much as I wanted to because I was on such a time crunch to get this done. And I did not have the time to film and edit as much as I wanted to, because I really had to make sure I got this dollhouse done. We did end up being delayed a little bit. So anyway, she's done and she's with the client now. And I did take lots of pictures and I really enjoyed making this. And I just think she's so cute. Well, y'all have a great day, and I'm working on getting some more videos out for you guys. Take care. Thanks again. Bye.